Hey ladies, in this video we're going to be talking about how to use the Ulta Referral Program. So the Ulta Beauty Referral Program allows existing Ultimate Rewards members to invite friends to join the program, offering incentives for both parties. The program often provides a $10 off coupon for both the referrer and the friend who makes their first purchase. In order to go ahead and do so, all you need to do is locate the program. So access the Ulta Beauty referral program and through the account section right over here. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and generate a unique referral link through your rewards account dashboard, and then share this link via email, social media, or direct text with friends who have never shopped at Ulta before. And that is it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.